speaking with some of the customers that we already do business with, but we're meeting contacts that are at a different level of the organization than we're typically dealing with, a little bit higher up.
I think Marcus Evans events, they really capture the essence of what's going on in the A&D world by having the key players there that are decision makers that you can connect with and get rapid traction.
The event start out is the human touch. It's the connection between various solution provider and people like me looking for solution to assemble them together to solve our problem in supply chain.
The opportunity to be in a smaller, more intimate program to have the one-on-one conversations, the more social networking or the business networking side of things. That's what is appealing to me about the Marcus Evans event.
This is a great forum. It's small, it's intimate, but it also brings in the people that are actually doing the implementation of the technology.